And always make sure they're the same way, or you might get yelled at when they get to the top. None of them like this. None of them turn around. You don't want to have to fight and look for how to get it off of there. So that's how you make the boss happy.
And I will show you when you do want your carabiners reversed the other way. When you're doing a top or anything that could be dynamically rolly or twisty as it comes off, I use 2 slings and I put one on the rope this way and one that way. Let's zip this thing. Maybe we'll put the camera. You guys, would you like to ride down the zip line? Because you would? Okay, I'll put it on there and you guys can ride down and talk to Damien when you get to the bottom. Okay. Speed lining puts side pressure against a trunk, and when they get tall and skinny like this, you start to think about that. Okay. Are we ready? Fasten your seatbelts, YouTube. You're going for a ride.
All we do crumbles to the ground, though we refuse to see. Dust in the wind.
So we've taken the top, from the top to right here. Just a matter of seconds. Here's the GoPro camera that he wanted us to talk to.
She cuts, eh? Awesome. Oh wait, look at this. Oh wow, yeah, that's official. Get the gullet. Bucking Billy Ray. I think I like this one just a little better. Seems to fit. And yeah, of course you gotta get the gullet. Okay, let's see. What else we got here? Ooh, cool. This one looks, yeah, that's not just a t-shirt. Awesome. Awesome. These are high quality. Look at that. That's a high quality sticker. Shape of an axe head, yeah? These are the ones I like. Oh yeah. That's a nice bumper sticker. I mean, most bumper stickers aren't nice enough for a new vehicle. These ones you could put on a new vehicle. Soldiers of Kindness, Bucking Billy Ray. Soldiers of Kindness. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's a medium. That will have to be for my lady. Thank you, Bucking Billy Ray, by the way. This ain't no small time gift here. This is... well, this is just making me want to send something to you. Maybe I'll send your glasses. You left them here. And this is a large. I could wear this. That was really fun having Bucking Billy Ray visit. This guy here working in the background is Aubrey. This is Damien's brother. Say hi.
Hello.
He's doing shipping. Well, let's just read out some box names here. Rachel Lincoln. Logan Ogle. Oh, here's one going out of the country. Liam Walcott. Charles Ratcliffe, Jonathan Johnson, Stephen Lamont, Ian Remelius, Jimmy Seifert, Tyler Wood, this must be a saddle going out to Mark Gagliardo, Micah Rogers, Adam Thiessen, John Uselding, Sean Chappell. Your belt's in there. Huh? You just ordered it too. Not too shabby. Some things are back ordered. The steel chainsaw made for this bars are back ordered. And what else? Anything else? Oh well, medium harnesses are pretty much always back ordered. They're back ordered currently. And large harnesses are back ordered. There we go. Huh? What do you think? Thanks, Billy Ray. Thank you. Look forward to getting together and doing some work. Yeah, this is good. This is a really... Whoever... Decal, I think is the guy's name. Man, that guy is an artist. He really put this... He captured the feel. The whole vibe of the channel. And he did it with such artistic genius. He captured the Billy Ray vibe and bottled it up and reproduced it. It's awesome. Alright, that's the update. That's an update video, I guess. I didn't even plan on doing a video, but there it is. See you next time when we... I think I'll do a video on little Jaden. That'll be my next video coming up here in a few days, maybe. And then we got another tree video, tree and deck. 3 pine trees and a deck.
Speed lines on your climb line.
That'll be a fun one. Some nice rigging, some speed lining. Oh, update for the channel is getting 3 pallet loads of inventory Speedline Kit inventory this week. And the Speedline Kit at MonkeyBeaver.com is soon to be a thing. So that has been a while coming and really cool. Did some cooperative work with Cheryl Tree on that, and they really impressed me with how that deal went down, and so that's props to them. And yeah, MonkeyBeaver Speedline Kit coming soon at MonkeyBeaver.com, which is actually, boy, that sounds super infomercially right now, but hey, that's how it's got to be when you're talking about stuff you're going to be selling. So it's infomercial time. MonkeyBeaver Speedline Kit is going to be revamped. It's going to be less expensive, and we're changing the hardware a little bit. And more about that when it's all dialed and ready and I can present it in a kit and talk about it. So see you next time.
Nope.
No? Be kind. Yeah? Yeah.